Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a haul, and this haul cost me a total of $81.99. So I don't know that I got a lot for $81.99, but I feel like these days it was okay, you know? So anyways, if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's the only way these videos will be seen. And if you're a comer backer, please like and comment. And if you do subscribe, please ring the bell. Apparently that's important too. So you can ring my bell. So anyways, let's get started. So, shall we start with the meat? I got a picana, a steak. I got a package of bratwurst sausages. I got boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And I got some hamburger. I got some bacon, which this bacon has shrunk. I always buy the ends and pieces because it's cheaper. This went from 16 ounces to 14 ounces, and now it's 12 ounces. Ain't that some nonsense? And I got a dozen eggs. Now I will say that for $81.99, all of this is organic, with exception to a couple of, like probably the cake mix and stuff. And the meats, like this is uncured, and grass-fed beef, organic chicken. So, and this is also grass-fed beef. So, and these are free-range eggs. This is also uncured. So considering it's all organic, $81.99 is probably a good deal. Everything ranged from about $1.99 to $2.49, with exception to the meats. They were between $2.99 and $5.99. The steak, I think, was the most expensive meat item. I got 2 packages of these petite toasts, and you get quite a few. There's 3 rows that long, and these are for like hors d'oeuvre type stuff over the holidays. So I got 2 packages of those. I got a package of cream cheese, and this is actually about the same cost as Philadelphia cream cheese. So I'm like, well, may as well get organic cream cheese then. I got a package of unsalted butter. I got some string beans because I'm thinking about doing a stir fry with those, an Asian dish. I got a package of Fran's bagels, and I really like these as I put a little cream cheese, some bacon, and an egg on here, and I only use half of one. So I don't do a whole breakfast sandwich, but I do a half of one on these, and I enjoy that real well. I got these sourdough English muffins. We like to have these with corned beef hash and our homemade jam. I got this Dave's Killer Bread, 21 whole grain and seeds. I got the Dave's Killer Bread English muffins. These will be for my husband's breakfast for a week. I make him a week's worth of either breakfast burritos and breakfast sandwiches and put them in the freezer. I got a jar of Bertolli creamy basil Alfredo. That's probably not organic. It's made with fresh cream, real butter and aged Parmesan cheese. So should be good. But look how the jars I have, I think, kind of small hands. These jars are getting tiny. I got this Funfetti winter cake mix with the Funfetti frosting, and it has the candies on top. And I save those candies if I don't use them with the cakes and stuff, and save them for other holiday treats. I got a package of garlic croutons. I'm freezing, but I'm not going to complain because there are other people in way worse situation as me. I got these ugly salt and vinegar kettle chips. I got some garlic naan, and I think that inspired me. I think we will have our canned beef curry for dinner tonight. I got my husband these Uglies kettle sweet potato chips. I try and keep him on healthier chips. I should for myself as well, but. And then I got this shelf-stable French demi baguettes. You get 2 of them in here. They're non-GMO. And you bake it like fresh bread. And these are good until March of 2023. So they have the sourdough, the French bread, the baguettes. They are certified organic. I got some tender leaf greens because I couldn't find lettuce. I got a head of cabbage because I think one night we will have the canned corned beef and cabbage recipe that I do. If you haven't tried that, it's very yummy. I got, I think this is called a delicata squash. I got a honey nut. That's not a butternut. It's a honey nut squash. And I got 2 containers of organic yogurt for my husband's lunches. I have berries in the freezer, blueberries and blackberries that I grew, and I put them in the freezer, and I do layers of yogurt and fruit, and then make his granola, and he takes that in his lunches as well. So not a ton here, but yeah, that is my haul for today. A lot of this will be for the week. The chips will go in the chip stash. The cake I'll put up until I need to make a cake. I used to do goodies and stuff, make cupcakes and things for the neighbors behind me, but unfortunately they have separated, so the kids and stuff are not around anymore. So that is sad. I think a lot of that is happening these days. Very sad. So yeah, so if you think you have a mag or whatever, you never know what's going to happen. Relationships and stuff are disintegrating, and that can affect your group that you think you have established. So keep that in mind. Also, there's a potential for 1/4 of the country to lose power, and food rationing and things like that are starting in Europe and the UK. So I'm pretty sure you can expect that to move to the United States as well, and probably Canada. So yeah, those are some of the things going on in the world right now. So I hope all of you up north and down to the east and all of that, this will be from the north to the northeast down to Texas with the power situation. So hopefully you have whatever you need, clothing, alternate power, alternate heat sources. I've kind of harped on that all year, since that snow Mageddon situation we had down here, because our houses are just not made for this kind of weather. They're not insulated for it or anything. So I learned what we needed. So you all need to make sure you have all of those things to ensure your warmth and safety this winter. So anyways, yeah, that's my haul. I hope you're doing well. You all stay safe, you stay healthy, and most of all, you stay warm. And I will see you in the next video.